So today's program, overlap stone 2 with a beautiful view, and her. Say hello. Hi. You can drive up to here actually with the bike, but we stopped a bit before because I cannot read. And you have a small hike. She's already done. So it's a really nice way. She likes to walk. She can do it. I'm just sweating a bit. And it looks like you should pay here. 1 people 20 baht. But yeah, I don't know. Beautiful view. Really nice. This is like Koh Samui. I came from there, so I think I'm living behind this place, or even there. Came up with the scooter. So it's written, look at the view on the rock. This is the viewpoint.
Thank you.
You're welcome. And you have here a small ladder if you want. What I do, because I'm a cunt. Wonderful. She made it too. Ah, okay. And this is the so-called Lamai. Oh god, I'm stupid. Lamai beach, and over there you can go to Shawang, over like the corner. You have some more steps, hike. Yeah, I also guess so.
It is like where we came out.
No, we didn't came up here.
I mean,
we
like,
came around. No, he has said he has there a nice overview bridge.
okay.
Are you scared? Yes. You can also always let me first, and I will catch you. Wonderful. Wow. You can do it, yes. What a beautiful view. Wow. And now we're walking to this small stone. So let's see. And you have a small ladder here.
There's more?
More? You really go the safe way.
Huh?
You really do the safe way. I think we should have gone around.
I think so too.
But wait. That's the view from this spot. I don't know if you can climb up here. She survived.
I'm alive, yes.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye bye. So skip the overlapping stone 1 and go directly to the overlapping stone 2. You have a better view. You pay 1/10 of the price, and it's also a small nice trek. We found something hidden, the Hun Nak viewpoint. Let's see. It's only like a few meters. And we can make it double. Wow! Whee! Beautiful! We are now at Hintai Hindiai, which is like 10 minutes away from the other place. And do you want some coconut ice cream? Or you want some proper food?
think coconut ice cream.
Okay. Which is grandfather and grandmother place. Stone, rock, whatever. We try now something cool. It's like the photo, and this is like the grandfather's penis. And we try to get it on mine. It looks good? Yes! Yeah! That's what we want. So we are now on the grandmother stone. Hinyai, I think. And yeah, that's the spot. This is the grandfather stone because it has the form of a penis with a ball somehow. Separated. No, the ball is still like next to the penis, not
okay,
this big one. This one is separated, yeah. And you have really a beautiful view from the sea. Yeah, and we have been there somewhere behind these trees. And now we go to Hintai, I think. We step on the grandfather somehow. Grandmother, grandfather, and in between you can like chill in the water and swim a bit. Seems actually to be a pretty nice place with some holy temple. This is a rock bar.
So there's one here and there's one the other side.
Ah, okay, so we have here a rock bar, a chilled place bar. This is the penis with the ball, and yeah, that's the view now from grandfather's side.
Fresh food market.
Okay, and we are now at the Lamai Fresh Food Market. Yeah.
You should take a video saying like, what is this market? The Lamai Fresh Food Market.
Yeah, it's the Lamai Fresh Food Market. Just that you know, guys, we are in Lamai. I will mark it on the map, maybe, if I don't forget.
Like this is the drive away, but it's like really good. 60 baht, 2 portions of chicken.
Oh wow, we can also go there.
They fed me a lot.
They fed me a lot.
Yeah.
Sushi, mango sticky rice, and again barbecue stuff. Waffles, filled waffle. Oh wow. Hello. So we survived the trip to Hinlat Waterfall, which is a waterfall in Hinlat, I guess, or it's just the name. And the track should be around 2000 meter, I guess. So it's just a small track, pretty straight. Let's see how she can make it. So you can buy here fish food and feed all the fishes in the rivers and lakes, which we will not do because we want to track. Yeah. So I think this was the main road with the roundabout, and we are here. We are at the Porta Babylon, and we try to reach this waterfall. So, and we get a soft start with some stairs. Yeah.
Like when I got.
So we already found the waterfall. This might be not a bad idea. Ah, you cannot go in. Okay. So we reached already some jungle territorial. Let's see if some wild monkeys will attack us. And after 1 minute of walk, we found the waterfall. I just wanna get a small shower. Which might be a good idea to cool down. Oh, nice! Wonderful. Great idea and good start. We already made the half after like 5 minutes at the shower. Cicada.
Yeah.
You hear that? That's cicada.
Yeah, cicada.
Cicada. It's really a chilled place apart from these fuckers. Or from everywhere, but it's not a waterfall. just a broken pipe. It's not difficult, you just have to take care that you don't fall over your own feet.
Yeah. Very nice.
It's really nice way, actually, nice track. You see, she's still smiling. Nice sweaty points on your ass.
What do I do now?
We kinda made it to the waterfall. So that's the waterfall view. There's another one, and this is a smaller one. So, yeah, we made it to the, what's the name? Linja. Hinlat waterfall. Maybe that's the one or the other one, I don't know. As you can see, beautiful. Very chill. There's small fishes everywhere. We're now checking out the second waterfall. I think it's sand in the middle. Maybe?
I don't know, I don't trust.
I don't trust the floor.
It's like a little bit slippery.
Is it?
Ah!
Oh!
Ah! Fish! Ah!
Fish! Oh! And at the second waterfall you have even a small private pool if you want. So really a wonderful place to chill. If you want to have a small nice hike, if you want to have a private waterfall, just walk past this first big one and go here. We saw no people now like for over an hour. Great scenery. There you see are some people who swim. That's where we have been. Great. Great.